What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from the Grand Hyatt here in Bali, Nusa Dua. So Nusa Dua is one of the 5-star luxury areas of Bali. It's probably the number one. You can see this is where concierge will grab your bags and assist you with getting set up. And then you walk here through this pond area. You can see there's some koi fish in there, I think. Yeah, there is some goldfish and koi fish in there. Let's see. Koi fish pond. Now, over here is where you check in at the lobby. So this is the check-in area. You can see right now they've got 2 weddings that they're checking out, wedding parties. They had 100% capacity last night. They're at 85% tonight. So this is where you check in, outdoor area. Looks like we've got a bird here. Some sort of stork or something. Beautiful day here. I would say that this side of the island is a bit cooler in terms of temperature than Kuta's side of the island. Sorry about the squeak on my feet. But yeah, so I stayed at the Hilton last night. You guys can watch that review at the end. I'll put a link. Next to the Hilton is the Kempinski, which is considered, I think, the newest best hotel. But this is where, during the G7, the US president stays here at the Grand Hyatt. Now, just some facts about the Grand Hyatt. It was built in 1993, I believe, or 1991. So it's basically 35-year-old, almost 40-year-old hotel. They've got around 600 rooms here, 5 pools. 3 of them are right here along the beach area. One is an adult pool, like a Balinese adult pool. And these other ones are for kids and such. And then there's the club lounge, which is the East Tower. Now, there's 4 wings. The East Wing, which is where the club lounge access is. Then there's the North Wing. I'm staying in the South Wing or the West Wing, not sure exactly. I'll show you that room towards the end. Got like a little lazy river here. Here's a bar. Some of you probably wanted me to go left, but I'll just show you this up top. There's the little bar area. See the slide? And then they've got sun loungers. You can get a towel right here. If you guys love hotel tours from around the world, you should subscribe to this channel. We do Marriott, Hyatt, Hilton, IHG, Accor, and some villas and such. I'm a full-time traveler, so I try to get you around 200 hotel reviews every year. If I can do it, we'll see. But yeah, so just gone through the beach area here, and now we're coming up, or we've just gone through the pool area, we're coming up to the beach area. So, beautiful beach right here. you don't want to swim in a chlorine pool and you want the beach, this is it. After this, I'll show you around the East Wing Club area a little bit. On the other side of this point here, they have some more hotels like the West Inn. I want to say the Conrad's over there. And a few others, the Holiday Inn. Over that way is the Hilton, over there on the cliffs. Wrapping around there is going to be Pandawa Beach, Uluwatu, all that. So yeah, Nusa Dua right here, Grand Hyatt. Show you around the East Wing where the Grand Hyatt Club Lounge is now. And this here is the East Village, known as the Grand Club. They've got their own pool here, the club access. This is where the US president stayed during the G20. It was held here in Nusa Dua in Bali. Hello. Very nice. So this is the club lounge. Grand Club. Outside, outdoors, beautiful Balinese pond. All right. So this little area is known as the Pasar. It's like a Bali market. And it's a nice place to go at night. Walking around. Some shopping. We've also got like a billabong and a polo store there. But here they'll have the buffet dinner. You can kind of see, hello, just looking. They'll have a buffet Balinese style. Looks like they've got some sort of wedding event going on. They've got like a kids toddler zone there.
Look, Harry, tide's gone out.
Yeah, 5 o'clock and 45.
Flat again.
Salsa bar. What is that? Oh boy. Salsa bar is up top. Let's go take a look. Here we go. All right. Nice little views up here at Salsa Bar. Wow.
DJ.
Elevated over here. Looks like down below the upper deck there for the Salsa Bar they have another restaurant area. seating. Again, this is all around the pool area. And it's now 6 p.m. thereabouts. All right, let me give you a look at this room here. So we've got a bathtub, sink, bathroom toilet, soaps, got a little closet area, typical of the Grand Hyatt, which I really like. It's just a mirror, towel hanger, little mantle, and then we have the bed. Very interesting bed, and a day bed here. Also very common with Grand Hyatts. Little desk area, not really a chair. I'm assuming people don't come here for work purposes, so that's probably why. This is just outside my room. This is the garden view. Courtyard view, I guess you could say. So there you have it. All right, now for my final review of the Grand Hyatt. So I did stay here for one night. It is a beautiful property. It's getting a bit dated and old at this particular time. Some things that I really liked about it was the garden, the location, the beach right out front of the Grand Hyatt. Also, the pools are really awesome. Although, if you are going there traveling solo and you don't have kids, there is a lot of kids down at the pools. The good news is they do have an adult pool, so you can enjoy that. Some of the things that I was not a big fan of, number one, I felt like the water wasn't that good. Also, the internet wasn't as strong as I like. I mean, it was good enough internet, but it wasn't the fastest internet. It wasn't what I would consider even high speed, to be honest with you. But the hotel itself is getting a bit old. I would like to point that out. It might be getting close to be due for a renovation. So there are some things about the hotel that are a bit antiquated, I would say. But anyway, I'm staying at the hotel here in the Holiday Inn in Center Beach. The phone is going off. That's the final review. See you guys on the next one. Beautiful property here at the Grand Hyatt. Hope you enjoy it.